guilt is what you will require, and still you've got to dance, little liar. It's just like those fibs to pop and fizz, and you'll be forced to take that awful quiz, and you're bound to trip, and she'll detect the fiction on your lips and dig a contradiction. And the clean coming will hurt, and you can never get it spotless when there's dirt beneath the dirt. The liar takes a lot less time. I'm sure it's clear and plain to read. It's not an alibi you need just yet. Oh no, it's something for those beads of sweat. Yes, that should get you back to normal. And after you have dabbed the patch, you'll breathe, and then proceed to scratch the varnish off that newly added calmness, so as not to raise any alarms too soon. And the clean coming will hurt, and you can never get it spotless when there's dirt beneath the dirt. The liar takes a lot less time to decide on the saunter. Have you got itchy bones? And in all your time alone, can you whack your mind being riddled with the wrong memories? And the clean coming will hurt, and you can never get it spotless